Hello, Batch 1995 of Pag-asa National High School. Warm greetings from Annabelle Olimpo Gibbs, all the way from the United States as you celebrate today the 10th Grand Alumni Homecoming in the Philippines. My heart's with you today as you gather in joy and nostalgia. My warmest greetings also to the school administration, alumni officers, the host batches 1988, 1991, and to all the batches out there, hello and thank you for making this meaningful celebration possible. It's been 30 years since we graduated in 1995, yet the memories, friendships, and lessons remain close to my heart. Though I may be far away, I'm with you in spirit, proud and grateful to be batch 1995. Happy homecoming and welcome home. Mabuhay!